Hello everyone, my name is Nadeem Ahmed and I voice over to my YouTube channel Al Razik Milk Shop. I teach you 10 best passive income ideas for international students. How many passive income ideas for international students? So we teach you number 1, sell stock photography. To all aspiring photographers, here's a great passive income idea. Try selling your photos as stock photos. Companies can use them for a fixed price. Alternatively, upload them to website where you earn a percentage each time someone purchases the right to use your image. Then number 2 is professional gamer. Imagine if you could game all the time and earn money from it. That's no longer a dream, it's a reality. You can make money by playing video games and even participating in gaming tournaments worldwide and earn extra from the prize money. Number 3 is start a YouTube channel. Like starting a blog, setting up a YouTube channel is a pretty easy process. You have the freedom to share any content that you like, such as tips for managing student life away from home, documenting your recent travels, showcasing helpful gadgets for students, and many more. Number 4, sell old textbooks. There are numerous online platforms, including social media websites, where you have the opportunity to sell various items. This also includes the option to sell pre-owned items like clothing, electronics, or books. If you have a knack for crafting, you can also sell handmade products. Number 5 is freelancing. Freelancing has many benefits as a passive income source for international students. As it is flexible, you can work on it anytime, anywhere. This flexibility is particularly advantageous for international students with varying schedule due to academic committees. Number 6 is transcribing. Transcribing is one of the best passive income ideas for students as it utilizes your language skills and attention to detail. International students often have strong language proficiency, making them well suited for accurately transcribing audio or video content. Number 7 is teach online. Online education has seen significant growth in recent years, and the COVID-19 pandemic further accelerated the shift towards remote learning. Number 8 is house sitting. House sitting is one of the best passive income ideas for international students. Not only is it convenient, but it's also a pretty simple job. Typically, it involves looking after someone home while they are away on vacation or traveling for business. Your responsibilities may include staying overnight, ensuring the house safety, performing minor cleaning tasks, and caring for their pets. Number 8 is ride sharing apps. Driving for ride sharing apps can be a potential source of income for international students, especially if you are studying in an area where ride sharing apps are popular. If you are studying in the UK, Uber is one of the most well-known and widely used ride-sharing apps there. Number 10 has sleep studies. What could be better than getting paid to sleep? Sleep studies often provide participants with financial compensation. While the compensation may vary depending on the study and institution, it can be a way for international students to earn additional income to support their living expense or academic prestige. So guys, if